Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to dive into the topic of productivity and share with you a powerful morning routine that can set the tone for a productive and successful day. If you're ready to make the most of your mornings and supercharge your productivity, then keep watching. I'm a firm believer that how you start your day sets the stage for how the rest of it unfolds. By establishing a purposeful morning routine, you can create a foundation for productivity and set yourself up for success. In this video, I'll be sharing a daily morning routine that incorporates key habits and practices to maximize your productivity throughout the day. Step 1. Wake up early. Step 1 of our morning routine is to wake up early. Set your alarm for a consistent time each morning, preferably before the rest of the world wakes up. Waking up early gives you precious uninterrupted time to focus on yourself and your goals. It allows you to ease into the day and avoid rushing, setting a positive tone for the hours ahead. Step 2. Hydration and stretching. After waking up, the next step is to hydrate your body. Start your day by drinking a glass of water to rehydrate and kickstart your metabolism. Following that, engage in a few minutes of light stretching or a short morning exercise routine. This helps wake up your body, increases blood flow, and enhances your energy levels. Step 3. Mindfulness or meditation. Next, incorporate mindfulness or meditation into your morning routine. Find a quiet space where you can sit comfortably and spend a few minutes in mindful reflection. Practice deep breathing, focus on the present moment, and let go of any racing thoughts. This helps calm the mind, reduce stress, and cultivate a sense of clarity and focus for the day ahead. Step 4. Visualize your goals. Visualization is a powerful technique to manifest your goals and aspirations. Take a few moments to visualize your goals as already achieved. Picture yourself successfully accomplishing your tasks, reaching milestones, and living the life you desire. This visualization exercise helps program your mind for success and primes you to take the necessary actions to achieve your goals. Step 5. Prioritize and plan. To ensure a productive day, it's crucial to prioritize and plan your tasks. Take a few minutes each morning to review your to-do list, identify the most important tasks, and determine your priorities for the day. Break down your goals into smaller, actionable steps. This helps provide a clear roadmap for the day, ensuring that you stay focused and make progress towards your objectives. Step 6. Nourish your body. A healthy breakfast is essential to fuel your body and mind for the day ahead. Take the time to nourish yourself with a balanced meal that includes whole grains, fruits, and proteins. Avoid skipping breakfast as it can lead to decreased energy and reduced productivity. Remember, you are what you eat, and starting the day with nutritious food sets a positive tone for your overall well-being. Step 7. Learning time. Dedicate a portion of your morning routine to learning. Whether it's reading a book, listening to a podcast, or engaging in educational content, continuous learning fuels personal growth and expands your knowledge. Set aside even just 15 minutes each morning to learn something new and develop your skills. This habit accumulates over time and helps you stay ahead in your field. Step 8. Review your day. Before you dive into your daily tasks, take a few moments to review your day. Remind yourself of your priorities, visualize the successful completion of your tasks, and mentally prepare yourself for the challenges and opportunities ahead. This brief reflection helps you approach your day with intention and purpose. And there you have it, a powerful morning routine for a productive life. Remember, consistency is key. By incorporating these habits into your daily routine, you can transform your mornings into a time of intention, focus, and productivity. I hope this video has provided you with valuable insights and inspiration to create your own morning routine. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more productivity tips and lifestyle content. Now go out there and make the most of your mornings. Stay productive, stay focused, and I'll see you in the next video.